Hey everybody, I'm StonerSlim, the hot guy with the bow tie. And you know what day it is if I'm back on your screen and I'm hungry. I got the munchies. So you know what that means. We gotta grab our fresh weed, grab our fresh ingredients, and we finna take another trip in the Munch. And StonerSlim, the hot guy with the bow tie, is always your tour guide. I never lead you wrong. Let's go!
Bitch, I got the sauce.
Hey everybody, I'm StonerSlim, the hot guy with the bow tie, and I'm back. And it's Tuesday once again, and I'm hungry, and I want to eat something messy, but I don't want to get messy while I'm cooking it. I just want it to look messy, but it's really not going to be messy. So, what I got in mind? What country I want to go to today? I think I'm going to go to Italy. I think I'm going to make some spaghetti by Stoner. Spaghetti by Stoner is what we making today, guys. And normally when you cook, you have ingredients, but when you're in the Munch with StonerSlim, we don't have ingredients, we have ingredients. Yes, sir! I'm not using any special meat. I'm using the ground beefy, baby. I ain't had none of that in the Munch in a second. And I'm not making no special sauce today, so I'm just gonna use the Prego traditional. That's the best sauce that they got on the market, baby. You can't have the spaghetti without the spaghetti noodles, and I like the thin, enriched macaroni product. Essential every day, especially during COVID. Need a little bit of salt, we're gonna add a little bit of salt, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of pepper, you know what I'm talking about, a little bit of pepper. Salt and pepper. Hey, they need to get on the show, we're gonna interview them. Seasoned salt, most salt, little season. Onion powder, don't cry from the onion powder. The trapeze bull, you know we're gonna make it a little spicy, just a tad bit spicy. And how do you be in the Munch without the most critical, the most crucial ingredient of them all? A bowl of weed, and my bowl is kinda low. I've been smoking all day, guys. That's why I got the munchies. And you can't roll your weed without having the Bowtie-rillo. And you can't light your weed without a Bowtie-rillo. Lighter. So, like, as with everything in the Munch that I make, it's not gonna take too long to make this. It's gonna be real good, real flavorful. We're gonna get in, get out, 20 minutes. I know you hungry when you watching this. I hope you watching this when you hungry. What other reason are you watching this? Not like I'm cute or anything. It's the food that we here for, the food and the reefer. The weed, yeah, because reefer, we know what reefer is, but ingredient and reeferent, it doesn't sound right, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna stick to the weed. So we're gonna start this process off. Gonna dump the ground beef into our skillet, and then we're gonna brown it like we did the tacos. But this time, we're not gonna add all the extra taco seasoning and all that stuff and have it cook. Once we brown it, we're gonna be pretty much done with the situation. We're gonna let it cook with the spaghetti. And then, like I said, about 20 minutes later, I'm gonna be up out your hair. So, I'm gonna start this process off right by dropping some salt in my water, and I'm gonna let my noodles cook and do their thing. Hey, my arm look like a noodle, but I'm strong though. Yeah, real talk, guys. You know what I'm saying? Turn my flame up a little bit. Take the top off my previously boiling water. It's almost boiled. Like I say, we finna take a little bit of the salt. Drop the salt off in there. Not that much, you know what I'm saying? With your previously washed hand. Take your spaghetti noodles. As you can see, they're kind of long. And it ain't like they are expensive or anything, but we're just gonna break them in half, get more out of the situation. Oh, I'm dropping noodles all over the place. Once again, break them in half, just for some added. Take a little bit of the butter, just a little bit with the butter knife. Now, it's doing what it's doing. And now, we take the spatula, we take the ground beef, and then we transfer. Now, just like with the tacos, when you throw the meat in the pan, you don't just let it sit in the pan. Oh no, you want to get in there, guy. Make sure this ground beef knows who's boss. It started off grounded, but we're gonna ground it even more. Yes, sir. Let my skillet warm up. Don't worry, I'll be back. I'm just going to wash my hands. Now that my hands are washed, I can get back to smoking my Inuiti. So yeah, while I was doing that, my skillet was doing a good job at warming up. So I'm finna get back to turning around, get back to mixing and maxing, so we can hurry up and get to the eating and eating and eating and eating. Yes, sir. You see that meat getting all juicy and whatnot? Yeah. You know when that meat get juicy, you already know. You already know what's time to bring in the handy dandy strainer bowl. Even though it's spaghetti and meatballs, I don't want giant meatballs, so I want mine crushed up. I could have took the time out and rolled them all up and made little meatballs, but what fun would that have been? Well, it probably would have been fun, but look how long that would have taken to make individual meatballs. Nah, I'm not trying to be professional spaghetti man. I'm trying to be spaghetti by Stoner man. In the Munch, we trying to hurry up and get this munchies over with, dog. Oh my gosh, man, I'm so hungry right now. I can taste the spaghetti in my brain. Yum, 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 yum. Spaghetti is definitely one of these foods that's in my top 5. Check on my noodles. Ooh, that junk boiling, baby. Ooh, it ain't gonna be too much longer. It ain't gonna be too much longer. One thing about smoking and cooking, you do a lot of relighting. So I was just sitting back like, man, I got hungry, you know what I'm saying? I wanted some noodles, right? Ramen noodles? Nah, we ain't want no ramen noodles, so, you know what I'm saying? The spaghetti thing will work. I can't make lo mein yet, so spaghetti just have to do. Instead of going to Japan, we're gonna take it to Italy. Vidi Vidi Vici. Like Brown from Cleveland Avenue. The ground beef is browned. So, I take a trip to my clean dish area, and I come back with the handy dandy strainer bowl. Handy dandy strainer bowl. Handy dandy strainer bowl, handy dandy strainer bowl, handy dandy strainer bowl. I got ashes in my strainer bowl. Luckily, I smoked this stuff for real. Now that the ground beef is browned, I'm gonna take the time out to season it while it's in the skillet. Then my noodles should be done. I'm gonna transfer everything over to another pot. I'm finna mix up my Prego into another different sauce, and then we're gonna mix. And pretty much, we're gonna have this show on the road. We're gonna be ready to eat in the next few minutes. I told you we ain't gonna be here long. And the spaghetti. A fancy meal that don't take that long? Where you find that out, Stoner? How you do that there, Stoner? Dang, Stoner. Thank you, Stoner. That's what y'all should be saying. I was just playing. I'm thanking y'all for watching me in the Munch. Make sure you follow me, StonerSlim123. Stay sad. So, start off the seasoning with the seasoning of the salt of the seasoned salt. Good amount. I ain't gonna do it like I do the tacos because this is seasoning, so we just gonna be. That's a good amount. Add a little bit of pepper. I like pepper in mine. Onion powder too. You know what I'm saying? Get that meat a good flavor. Mesh well with the Prego. Get it all mixed in. Black pepper didn't make me sneeze. A little bit more onion, a little bit more season, a little bit more pepper. Here it's starting to sizzle. Yes, sir. Perfectly grounded beef. Now, I take a brief intermission and wash out my straining bowl because I'm finna reuse it again. Be right back, guys. And I am back. Let me take time out to light my reefer. Light my reefer. Hold on. Oh. Stoner Presley, baby. So now what I'm about to do is, before I transfer my spaghetti noodles over, I'm finna drop the Prego into a bowl and do a little mixing, because even though I like this flavor, I'm gonna add a little bit more flavor to it, baby. We're gonna use the little purple bowl. This is Ava, she's right next door. That's my niece, I love her. Oh my gosh, shouts out Ava. She couldn't be here to help me cook because she's not old enough to smoke weed. So, get it real shook, shake well. Slap that guy open. Check on my noodle. Oh, they are perfect. They are perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and turn those off. They are ready to be transferred. We will get to the transferring process momentarily. So I take the sauce. I add my favorite sauce, Trappy's Wool. We take the safety lid off and we pour. What's wrong with Cajun spaghetti? Add a little bit to slap your mama up. Vici. Not that much though. It's already flavored. Add a little bit more heat with the cayenne pepper. I'm so tempted to add lemon pepper, but I don't know what lemon pepper spaghetti would taste like. Get my spoon. Just mix everything in. All I did was make it a little bit more redder. That's all I did, make it a little bit more redder. We're gonna be scraping the pot and the bowl, you guys. Scrape the pot and the bowl, you guys. So, I'm going to take my stirring bowl and my pots of noodles over to the sink. Sorry, you guys, you can't see me, but it's probably better this way. I'm under the influence. I told you all it was probably better this way. I have 3rd-degree burns. I've dropped some cups and everything. Oh my gosh. So now, we move some things over, swap some things out. And now, everything in the mixing pot. I take my meat first, drop in the mixing pot. Oh, something got stuck. It is fine. That's what we have spat for. That's the nickname for my spatula. His name is Spat. That's his nickname, you guys. Spat. Meat Spat. Take our noodles. Oh, shit. And then we take our sauce. And, oh, I told you I had something for the leftovers, don't worry. You just add a little bit of water to stretch that guy out and you get the rest of the sauce in that guy. Oh my gosh. The only thing about this meal is I don't get to do my favorite thing. I don't get to shake anything. So for you all, I'm just gonna shake myself. And even though I'm in Atlanta, I'm gonna do the Harlem Shake. In this case, that was the spaghetti shake. So we're not just gonna let it sit there. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I wish you all could smell this. This is all you have to do, you guys. You mix it all in. You mix it all in. Make sure you get all the sauce from the bottom. Make sure you mix it in real nicely. Try to get the rest of this sauce. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I am so happy with how this turned out. Last time, let me light my reefer. Pretty much now the process is over. It don't even really need to sit for like 3 more minutes After that, you transfer it to your favorite plate, and you see how quick it was? I didn't even get an opportunity to get to the second one, you guys. Oh my gosh, I still got something to smoke after I eat now. I don't have to roll up something new. I don't know what you guys do after you eat, but now, before I leave you guys, while it's still scolding, it gets a stoner taste testo. I'm not trying to burn myself, you guys. That'll blow my high. I don't know about you, but it definitely will blow mine. Scalded tongue, that's trash.
She feel like it is a dream.
Just the right amount of flavor, just the right amount of spices. Ooh, man. I hope it turns out as good as it did for me, as it does for you. Well, we're gonna end this show on a good note. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. This show is very quick. I'm so happy. I'm so ready to eat. I hope you are too. Thank you for watching me once again. Make sure you follow me everywhere at StonerSlim123. Every Tuesday, 9:30. Catch me here in your kitchen, in the Munch, on your favorite YouTube or Facebook channel. StonerSlim High Guy with the bow tie. Thanks you all for coming once again. I hope we did this right just for you. In the Munch with StonerSlim. We in the Munch. In the Munch. In the Munch. In the Munch. Munch. Spaghetti.